T&T HVAC. How can I help you? Absolutely. We'll have a technician out shortly.
At T&T, where we have been in business for over 17 years, we proudly completed over 90 facilities in 1,200 homes, serving over 1,300 customers. Our mission is simple: to deliver reliable, energy-efficient HVAC solutions that keep your home and business comfortable year-round. With a commitment to quality, integrity, and customer care, we continue to set the standard in the HVAC industry. Your comfort is our priority, and we stand by every job we do. At T&T, where we blow away the competition.